Maurice Bay here. Wanted to shoot this quick video for you guys and show you the proper way to double clutch. You know, when you go to take your driving test to get your CDL in the state of Virginia where I am, they're gonna ask you to double clutch. So I've been wanting to shoot a video on the proper way to do it. Today I was fortunate enough to have my wife riding with me, so she's on the camera. I got her to make sure she catches the right shot. So that's what I'm recording in this video, the proper way to double clutch. So I hope you get value from the video. If you do, be sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated to all of my videos as I upload. I'll have a couple of shots going on here. One focusing on the clutch and the gas pedal and the gear shift, showing you what's going on there. And one focusing on the RPMs, so you can see exactly what's going on at all times with the RPMs, the gear shifter, and the clutch as well. Okay guys, so I've gotten the truck up to speed now, so I'm speeding the video up just to go ahead and get past the part where I'm just driving here. It's only a short drive, and I'm taking y'all on with me today. But I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up until I get to the point that I'm about to downshift again. Okay, and I'll be double clutching. That'll start at 3 minutes and 22 seconds, the downshift. And that's today's driving lesson. Peace!